Thank you, Iveta, for this very informative speech, and it's a pleasure to give you my feedback. So first, I will talk about how well you met the objective of the speech, and then I will touch a little bit on the delivery and also some recommendation. The objective of the speech was to enhance a technical presentation using all of the technical tools that we have in our tool set today, that include email, internet, website, and desktop. So for the objective of SET, I was kind of on set. I said, what is this? Because it seemed like something that we do all the time, that we use all the time. But when you start giving your presentation, I think that you very smartly use all these tools to give a very powerful message. So first, the survey that you sent out and the summary of your speech really got me excited. When you talk about the narrowing of the gap between young people and adults, I think that's interesting because we think that is the opposite, that they are connected in a different way. And today, most of all are getting into this social network, not only LinkedIn, but also Facebook. And we are spending a lot of time on it. So if this can get the family to get together, I think it's really wonderful. So I was very excited to learn more. And during the presentation, you really give us more. And I like the way you started, instead of just giving a definition on the setup, you gave us some story, the different ages of the story, of the world, like industrial, agricultural, industrial, technology, and information. And then you talk about the example of Lady Gaga, who they give a donation, but use Facebook to get a different organization compete and let the Facebook young decide. I think this is very powerful, and this is not because even to everyone, when you have open process, you are able to get more feedback and to get a better result. And then you introduce what is a social analytic, which is really getting the big picture, the tendency. What is important is this huge amount of information and how to leverage it. And I really like the three powerful slides that you provided. Not very information on it, but the picture and also the essential message. For instance, to illustrate the narrowing of the gap, how everybody using Facebook, you see Facebook is the only game in town. The map of connected, which curiously resulted in the map of the world. I found that very powerful. So in terms of delivery, I think you were very confident, you're very knowledgeable. We can see that you prepared very well the presentation. And I like the way you almost never look at your slide. You were connected with the audience. And also you were using the space very effectively without, even if the projector was there, without preventing the audience from seeing the projector. So I think it was very good. And also at the end you have a call into action, which is we can actually leverage social analytics in our professional life. You can use it for a product and also to do some marketing. The only thing that was missing, that I think you didn't really tell us how to do that. Because it seemed a little bit complex. I would have liked some references. Go see this if you want to know more about this subject. Go to see this website, this link, or this is some of the things that you can use at the end. I think that was missing. But overall, it was a very powerful technical presentation, and actually, it didn't feel like a technical presentation. It was like an entertaining speech, and we learned a lot.
Thank you, Alain.